Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Deadpool and Wolverine into your InVision webverse project. First, let's define the scope of your creative endeavor. Consider the narrative or interactive experience you wish to build. Next, gather all necessary high-resolution assets for both characters, ensuring they align with your vision. Finally, establish a consistent visual style and brand guidelines to maintain a cohesive design throughout your project. This foundational work is crucial for a successful outcome. Now, let's prepare your character assets for optimal performance within your InVision project. Begin by optimizing all image files, ensuring they are compressed and load quickly, ideally under 100 kilobytes each. For any vector graphics, convert them to SVG format to guarantee crisp, scalable visuals across various screen sizes. Finally, organize all your prepared assets into a logical folder structure. This makes them easy to find and manage as your project grows, saving you valuable time. With your assets ready, it's time to bring Deadpool and Wolverine to life within InVision Studio. Upload all your optimized assets directly into your project. Next, create interactive components for each character, defining their states and behaviors. You can design dynamic animations and transitions to make them feel truly engaging. Then, map out the user flows, showcasing how users will interact with these iconic heroes within your webverse. This step transforms static designs into a vibrant, interactive experience. Finally, it's time to share your amazing InVision webverse project and gather valuable feedback. Share your interactive prototype with your team members or stakeholders. Encourage them to explore the experience and provide their insights. Utilize InVision's robust comment features to facilitate clear and concise communication directly on the design. Based on the input received, iterate and refine your designs. This collaborative process ensures your Deadpool and Wolverine webverse is polished and truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.